This is a really quick video on how to add fractions and the best methods to do that. So I'm just going to take a really simple example, really basic. 4/7 plus 1/3. Okay. So we just talked about equivalent fractions, so it's the easiest way to do it. My preferred way is to find a quick lowest common multiple of these two. The really quick way of doing it, instead of finding your LCM, multiply the two together. So what's 7 times 3? So that's step 1. 7 times 3. Multiply denominators. Okay, so 7 times 3 is 21. And this is our new denominator. This is a really quick way of doing it. So we've got 21. So that means we've now got something over 21 plus something over 21, okay? So what are these blank spaces? Well, we take the number up here, 4, okay? And we multiply it by the other one, 3, the other denominator. So basically, how many times was 7 multiplied to get 21? It was multiplied 3 times. So we have to multiply the top by 3 as well. It's the same as the equivalent fractions. How many times we multiplied 3 to get 21? We multiplied it 7 times, so take 1 times 7. The answer is 4 times 3 is 12 over 21 plus 7 over 21, and 12 plus 7 is 19 over 21. Sorry, I never put my line here. 19 over 21. And there's your answer. Very straightforward. I'll do one more of those type just to keep us kind of in the zone for those. So let's take let's see, pick a good one. 7 over 10 plus 2 over 5. There's a good one. 7 over 10 plus 2 over 5. Okay. So again, my method, 10 times 5. There is a much quicker way, or there's a much easier one with this, right? So you could just take 10. Yeah, let's do it both ways, okay? Let's do it both ways because this is a really good one for that. So this would be my quick way of doing it. 10 times 5 is 50, so that's our new denominators. Sorry, 50. How many times does 10 go into 50? It goes in 5 times, so 7 times 5. How many times does 5 go into 50? It goes 10 times, so 2 times 10. 7 times 5 is 35 over 50, plus 20 over 50, which is going to equal 55 over 50. Okay. So then, in my personal opinion, this isn't finished. We should probably work this out. You'd work it out as being 1 5/50, right? Which is also a bit dodgy. So it'd be 1 1/10. Because 5 into 50. Now, another way of doing it, is looking at your two bottom numbers and realizing that 5 goes into 10 and 10 goes into 10. It's the easier common denominator. So your common denominator here would be 10. You'd get 7. 10 into 10 goes once, so 1 times 7. 5 into 10 goes twice, 2 times 2. You get 7/10, 7 over 10 plus 4 over 10. 7 plus 4 is 11 over 10, which is equal to 1 1/10. So some people might find this way easier. Some people might be a little bit confused about finding the 10. Sometimes it's not that easy. And just go with this way. So there's two different kind of ways of doing it. I personally prefer doing this because it's in my head sometimes quicker. If I see this quickly, I'll do this. But I mightn't always see this direct comparison. So that's just a quick look at how to add fractions together. Next video we'll be looking at multiplying fractions.